present perfect and past. I have done and I did. Study this example situation. Tom is looking for his key. He can't find it. He has lost his key. This is present perfect. This means that he doesn't have his key now. Now Tom has found his key. He has it now. Has he lost his key? That is present perfect. No, he hasn't. He has found it. Did he lose his key? Yes, he did. He lost his key, but now he has found it. The present perfect is a present tense. It always tells us something about now. Tom has lost his key. He doesn't have his key now. The past simple tells us only about the past. If somebody says Tom lost his key, we don't know whether he has it now or not. We only know that he has lost it at some time in the past. Two more examples. Jack grew a beard, but now he has shaved it off, so he doesn't have a beard now. They went out after lunch and they have just come back, so they are back now. Do not use the present perfect in if there is no connection with the present. For example, the things that happened a long time ago. The Chinese invented printing. How many plays did Shakespeare write? Beethoven was a great composer. Compare. Shakespeare wrote many plays. My sister is a writer. She has written many books. She still writes books. We use the present perfect to give new information. But if we continue to talk about it, we normally use the past simple. Oh, I have burnt myself. How did you do that? I picked up a hot dish. Look, somebody has spilt milk on the carpet. Well, it wasn't me. I didn't do it. I wonder who it was then.